welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving into 5 cleaning hacks that are going to make your life easier. And stick around for number 5. It's a game changer.
Hack number 1. Use dryer sheets to wipe down baseboards. They help repel dust and make cleaning super quick. Who knew dryer sheets could be so versatile? Baseboards have never looked better. Hack number 2. Quickly clean hard to remove stains off of your pans with a magic eraser. It works so well and it is so satisfying. The stains are gone. It's practically magical. Hack number 3. Sprinkle baking soda in your sink. Pour vinegar intermittently until the bubbling stops and your drain clog is gone. The difference is amazing. Your water flow will thank you. Hack number 4. Clean your microwave with hot water. Just heat a bowl of water for up to 5 minutes and then wipe away the grime. It is so easy and no more harsh chemicals in your microwave. And just like that, the microwave is spotless and clean. Hack number 5. Use vinegar to clean your coffee pot. This hack is my favorite because it literally makes your coffee pot clean itself. Just pour vinegar in the coffee pot as if you were going to brew a pot of coffee and press start. Walk away and come back to a satisfying discovery of the coffee, calcium deposits, and other grime that has been lurking in the dark places of your coffee pot. This is the easiest way to clean your coffee pot, and it will improve the taste of your coffee and the function of your coffee pot. This one's a total game changer. Look at that transformation.